Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can stack objects in Orca Slicer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to actually add my model first. Now it's going to be this one. Let's just go ahead and resize it accordingly. And now to simply stack your objects together, what you want to do is to copy and paste your object, and basically you will have a duplicate of the said object. So in here, you just want to make sure that they are aligned together perfectly. In my case, I'm going to be fine with this one. Now, of course, you could make some adjustments later, but once it's live, you want to click on objects, click on the first stack, which is going to be this one in my case. Click on the move function, and you could just look at the Z coordination, which is going to be in my case 15.20. So you just want to increase the second object by 1. So for this, let's go ahead and put something like 16.20. Click on OK, and then basically it will then stack that object. But before you do that, you have to merge your objects together. So let's click on assemble. And right after, let's now apply the changes that we have talked about. Now, since with this one, basically it's going to be 15.20. If you're using something like millimeters, you want to multiply this by 2. So in my case, I'm going to be using 30.20 or somewhere between that. Let's select our second object. Let's then go ahead and type 30.30. And basically from there, you will be able to stack your objects easily. Just make sure that there isn't any gaps on the objects itself. And so guys, basically from there you are good to go. You could keep repeating this if you want to, but that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.